Hello, dear Toastmasters and guests. Today I'm going to deliver second speech of my project, HPL project, Financial Literacy Workshop. Main purpose of my project was to become more financially literate. But in addition, I decided to use this opportunity to earn some money to create new website for our ATC. During my first speech, I explained and introduced everyone with basic information about my project. But during implementing the project, some points were changed. For example, date to 8th, 9th August, and there was an issue that wasn't decided on price. I was thinking about 2,000 or 5,000 tenge, but after discussion of the price with my speakers, we decided to put 10,000 tenge and give 50% of discount for 1 week. It was kind of financially strategy. I was thinking that I will have 50 till 100 participants. I have such big dream, but on my workshop, I have only 28 per day. And there was another question with remuneration for the speakers. Fortunately for me, my speakers refused to get money after the workshop. So I had very great speakers, 4 speakers, almost all of them are distinguished Toastmasters. Indira Koylabayeva, Damira Kulahmetova, Yerzhan Omirkhanov, Kanat Bazarala delivered speeches on about money, budget, income, multiplication and accumulation, stock market, and investment basics. I also have very good executive team, which consists of officers, promoter PPPR, treasurer collected money, and our secretary helped me with registration, and also he was main host on conference day, workshop day. And I was the leader of the project. Guidance committee. On first speech, I told you a story about how I composed this guidance committee. Actually, Kanat Bazarala created WhatsApp chat for his guidance committee during his implementation of his project. After that, Quanish Sadikov started his HPL project, and he decided to keep these people as his guidance committee. And when I started my HPL project, I decided also to keep this good tradition and asked Quanish Sia Kanat to be my guidance committee. But actually, it was my mistake, because I have only 2 discussions with this guidance committee before my first speech and before my second speech. But during the implementation of the project, people who were guide me was my speakers team, Indira, Damira, Yerzhan, and Kanat. We discussed it with them every point of the project plan, price of the workshop, content of the speeches, everything. I started to organize and prepare my project plan almost in the middle of June. And in the beginning of June, I already collected my speakers. I presented my first speech on 11th July. Also, I created WhatsApp chat, as I told you, and I shared my project all documents. We have 3 Zoom meetings to discuss every issue of the project. We have published 8 Instagram posts and have 1 live play up with winner Lazat Momontaeva. I prepared 2 questionnaires before the workshop and after workshop. First questionnaire helped us to compose speech content. Second, helped us to have good feedbacks to improve in the future projects. And all in all, I have 18 paid participants and 6 participants I invited for free. All of them are very active members of our club. Results I had is challenge were fulfilled. So we successfully promoted the event. We collected 90,000 tenge, which is enough to create new website. And I have no big problems during the workshop. The only complicated thing is feedback about high price. When we published the price of the event, I received PM message that price from very respectful and active member of our club that price is too high for our club. And that time, only with one feedback, I lost my motivation. I feel that I have no energy, no power to continue this project. I just wanted to drop it. I look like this animal. That time I realized that I want to sleep. And I told myself, Aidana, you will think about it tomorrow. After 8 hours of recovering sleep, I have enough power and continue my project. The lessons I've learned is the main lesson. Keep calm in any situation, because at this particular time, you are making the most correct decision. The only thing I regret is that I cannot protect my team members from the stress. In conclusion, I would like to say that I implemented this project very well because it was best implementation for this particular time at this particular moment, this particular project at this particular time. Thank you very much for your attention.